Hey guys, it's Dawn and I'm back with another video, and today I decided to do an unboxing for the women's Air Jordan 1s SE. Color being black, dark beetroot, white with these beautiful gold pendants. So let's get started. Okay. So here is the box. This is what I got. Beautiful gold detail, just simple. All right, let's get started. So here's the wrapper. You see that? The gold 23s, and they look so good. Look at those. Okay, let me take one out. So, are these not the cutest? It's the gold detailing for me. Like, look at that. How cute is that? And then, like, come on now. The women pendant, everything. Like, here's the bottom. This beetroot is very pretty. I love it. So it's leather, gold pendants. It does have blue on the tag. This part right here is cloth. Want to note that out. But it's a full-on leather shoe, and it is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's see if there's anything special about the inside. The inside is blue with the Jordan symbol. I brought these in a women's size 6.5. I know Nike runs small. I'm usually a 6 or a 6.5, and I got these in a 6.5 because I do know that Nike, Jordan, they run a little bit small. So, but these are so beautiful. Let me grab the other one for you. And so, it's actually important to note that they have different pendants. Here they are. I just love that it says women on it. This one's the 1985 that says Jordan, that says women. Another, I think, is this like the original Air Jordan symbol? Jordan again, and then women. But they look great. Let me see if the inside of both of them are the same. Let's see. Pulling out the... Yeah, this one's blue too. Okay, so but these are so beautiful. I cannot wait to wear them. How could you not?